Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to zoom in effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So initially, I just want you guys to know that we're going to be utilizing keyframes, and it's not that hard. It's very simple, and I'm about to show you how to do it. So you want to bring in a clip into the timeline. I'm going to be utilizing this clip right here, and I want to, kind of zoom in to the left and then scroll to the right and then zoom back out. So to do that, I want to put my player head in the beginning of this clip, select it, and then go up to the top right and click on Inspector. Now we're in the video settings, rather these clip settings, and you can see that there's the zoom and position with the X and the Y axis. First, what we're going to do is press a keyframe in the beginning for the zoom and a keyframe for the position. Now what we're going to do is move the player head over to, let's say, this part right here. And now I'm going to press on the zoom number and then scroll to the right. And now with the position, same thing. I'm going to click on position and scroll a little bit to the left. Now I have added automatically these two keyframes, and I can check these keyframes out by just clicking this button right here on the clip. So you can see that I've added these keyframes right over here. And now what I'm going to do is move the player head over a bit more. I am going to now position to the right. And now I'm going to press the zoom again. I'm going to move the player head all the way towards the end of the clip and zoom out. Make sure that the position is correct. And there we go. So now you guys check this out. I'm zooming in to the left, adding the keyframe that zooms to the right, and then the keyframe that zooms back out. So guys, that's how you utilize the zoom effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.